Give it up, Leo. You're going down.
In your dreams, Dad. I'm in the zone tonight.
Oh, you two? Go, Leo!
Come on, Dice. Don't jinx me now. Daddy needs a new pair of shoes. Booyah! Double sixes. That means you owe me rent, Dad. Pay up.
I'm totally broke. This kid is crushing it.
Don't be salty, Mike. You lost fair and square.
Okay, my turn.
Be careful! I want to roll! My properties are safe!
Whoa. Who turned the world off?
Relax, guys. Just a power outage. I'm activating the dad signal.
Daddy, you look sketchy.
There we go. Kicking it old school. No electricity needed.
Okay, team. Let's call it a night. It's freezing in here.
Ow, bummer. I was winning.
I'm so tired. I can barely see straight.
It's okay, dear. Let's get you to bed.
I should blow that out.
Whoa.
Okay, I'm out of here. Huh.
Ethan, snap out of it. The alarm is going off.
What on earth?
Look, the smoke is everywhere!
What's happening?
No way! The hallway is toast! We can't go out there!
Leo, Maya, the door is scorching! Is it the fire?
Dad, I'm freaking out. I can't breathe.
Hit the deck! Get on the floor now! Keep your heads down! Don't be a hero! Just crawl!
It's a dead end. We're trapped.
Back to the bedroom.
Plan B.
Buddy, don't freeze up on me.
Come here, Leo. There's no time to lose.
We leave no man behind, Dad. Come on, buddy.
We have to go now.
Buddy, come on.
Okay, this roof is super slippery. It's kind of sketchy. Olivia, pass Mia. Easy peasy, Mia. You're going to stick the landing.
I did it.
Whoa!
I'm slipping!
Hold your horses. I got you.
That was rough. We made it. Everyone sound off, Leo.
I'm okay, Dad. I'm here, Dad.
Good, Mia.
We're all here. Look at my room. It's history.
Stuff is just stuff, Elena. We can replace junk. But you're one of a kind.
I was so scared. I'm totally shook.
Here comes the cavalry. We're safe and sound now.
You folks really dodged a bullet last night. Yeah, it was the candle. Totally my bad.
But hey, props to you guys for closing the doors. That was a smart move today.
Am very sad.
But if you guys want that we built our new house, please like and share the video with your friends and subscribe our channel.
From now on, safety first. No more slacking off.
Look. The whole neighborhood showed up.
We heard the news. We wanted to pitch in.
You guys, I'm speechless. This really blows me away.
We have your back, Mike. That's what neighbors do.
Whoa, sweet.
Thanks, guys. My heart is so full.
Finding anything in here is like finding a needle in a haystack. Be careful, honey.
No way. The top hat survived.
It's a sign. We aren't goners yet.
Look at this view. A clean slate.
We are finally getting back on our feet.
Yo, if you learned something new today, don't ghost us. If you liked our story, hit the button and subscribe for more interesting stories. Bye! Bye!